stripe.
I didn't know I could do that! Oh, hey there! Is this the Joe Buckley special? I'm coming for you. Alright? Your title as world's greatest comic is mine. This Sunday at Iron Furnace, Quincy, Massachusetts.
What time does this March Madness thing end? Because I'll probably gotta be home by like 9.
I got a lot of respect for Joe. Some would say we're best friends.
Oh, he's kind of short, he's got a beard, plaid shirt, wears a hat. No idea who he is.
You know, we've been through a lot together. We do all the same shows.
Where's he been booked?
Nowhere.
There you go.
You might not know my face now, but after I beat Joe Buckley this Sunday, I'm gonna be the world's greatest comic in the world. In America. In Quincy. At least for one round, I'm gonna be the world's greatest comic.
My advice for Joe Palmer, as a comic, don't show up.
Obviously Joe's gonna say he doesn't care. I mean, he's too cool for that, but I know, deep down, he's worried.
Yeah, I'm terrified.
What's that? Jokes? Does it look like I was joking around with those karate moves? I'll show you a punchline. Yeah!
Oh, this was like Duke playing Massasoit. This is like North Carolina playing Bridgewater State.
This is a battle of the Joes for the ages. Yeah, I'll see you Sunday.